The United States Department of State on Thursday, May 11, 2023, has approved the sale of 60 CH-47F Chinook Heavy Lift Helicopters to Germany. The proposed purchase of $8.5 billion United States dollars was announced by the Defense Security Cooperation Agency, DSCA, to the U.S. Congress. The package includes 140 engines, including 20 spare parts, missile warning systems, radios, transponders, navigation systems, modification suites, technical support, and pilot and technician training, the Pentagon said. Earlier in June 2022, the Boeing Chinook team won the new Heavy Transport Helicopter (STH) competition for the German Armed Forces Bundeswehr. It will take 3 years to deliver the helicopters, according to manufacturer Boeing.